hours since this JVC machine has been working here in Mandi Pando, and this is one of the reasons is because there is constant landsliding, or at least a threat of it, and that is why there is a focus not just in Uttarakhand but also in Himachal Pradesh, which has seen some of the worst cloud bursts and several of these incidents increasing. The rivers rising, which is also a continuous worry. There's also an alert, an orange and red alert, which has been sounded. And what you see is these particular traffic lines, these are holding up now because the roads are being cleared. So several of these landslides do take place. This is where water entering into villages, one of the key concerns. But several of the environmental experts say there are increased incidents in Himalayan region. The reason is afforestation. It's also construction without much thinking or expertise, especially because there is ecological zone, there is this seismic zone, and this has to be treated extremely sensitively. Meanwhile, the way things have been for the past 3 years or so, Himachal Pradesh bearing the brunt. We've seen it in June also. But right now what we can show you is this particular area where the roads are now being cleared. And there's a huge line right here, right behind me, of people who are actually waiting for things to really clear up. But it is the larger question, why are these incidents happening? And who's really responsible for this, and what can be done to ensure that these incidents decline rather than increase? Because not only do they cause human loss of lives, but also cause a huge damage, not just to the state, but also to the infrastructure. With camera person Girish, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Pando for India Today. While the focus is on Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh is on alert because there are incessant rainfalls. Thankfully for now, the rain is not happening. But as far as the weather prediction is concerned, 8th and 9th, there could be heavy rainfall. That's what the weathermen predict. And this is where what we're trying to show you is there are landslides which are now a common occurrence. There are cloud bursts, and because of which what we've seen is that Siraj in Mandi, that has taken a lot of brunt. But ecologically sensitive zone, Himalayan terrain itself is become a challenge, not just for authorities, but for people itself. But remember, right from the beginning, from morning itself, now this is, if you see, the landslide coming from on top. So this is the mountain, and a lot of people telling us that this is an area where landsliding would not occur so frequently, but this is now a frequent occurrence. Let's just try and get you a sense. ये बताइए, काफी देर से ये बंद है और काम चल रहा है, लेकिन लोगों को क्या इतिहादन बताना चाह रहे हैं?
ये कल रात का ही बंद है ना। हाँ। कल रात से बंद है और सवेरे से काम चला हुआ है। हाँ। और पैदल कर रहे हैं, क्रॉस कर रहे हैं, पैदल निकाल रहे हैं बंदों को। हाँ। जी।
तो मनाली का कोई और जाने का रास्ता?
और जाने का रास्ता कटिंडी कटौड़ा, मंडी से कटिंडी कटौड़ा, और तो कोई रास्ता नहीं है इस साइड से।
So arterial roads are now facing issues, and several of them facing landslide, and thankfully it's not raining at this point of time. But the weather prediction for the 8th and 9th is that this is going to be heavy rainfall in several of the districts. Remember, Himachal Pradesh is bracing for heavy rainfall once again, and even when there is rainfall which happens, that's where roadblocks like these occur. With camera person Girish, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Pando for India Today.